Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special day because today Mariale turns 1.5 years old and she's going to have her pictures as we usually do every single month. I think it's going to be very fun to look back into that. So yes, I'm super happy that I am keeping up with her pictures every single month. Right now, I'm going to call the doctor's office because I want to schedule an appointment for her. We want to talk about the fact that she's not eating well. Every time that she's having her meal, she turns into this bad mood and she doesn't want to eat. We have to entertain her with something else like toys, TV, utensils, so many things. Anything that will keep her attention away from the food. I promise we've tried so many different meals and nothing has make her eat like happy. So seems like she's not interested in food at all. So we're going to talk to the doctor about that because we are a little bit worried. Our concern is that she might need to have like some type of vitamins to make her body want to eat. I don't know if that makes sense or if that's even an option, but we're going to speak to the doctor about that and hopefully he can guide us on what to do. When she was like probably around, I want to say like 10 months, she really didn't want to eat either, but I think it was because we were giving her more milk than what she needed. So I think that was like the difference. And we talked to the doctor and we changed that. And now it seems like she's not interested in food. I remember when I was little, I had, I think the same issue, but I think she has it in a different level because my mom says that I was a very picky eater, but nothing like her. Like she just doesn't want to eat. She will say no, no, no with her head. Once she tries it, then she will change her mind and go like, this is tasty. So anyway, let's call the doctor's office and schedule an appointment for her. Okay guys, so we just got ready. We are on our way to a little park to take her pictures. Hopefully we can get cute pictures because the light is about to go out. And if not, we're just gonna come back home and finish taking her pictures and hopefully everything turns out good. Say hi, Mariale. Hi. Guys, we're having a hard time trying to find a spot. The light is not cooperating. As you can see, it's already nighttime. So we are walking to a little place with a little bit more light. As you can see, hopefully this little spot is better. Mariale. Are we taking you pictures? Are we taking you pictures? Yeah? Are you having fun? Oh, what is that? Don't touch it. Don't touch. Uh-oh. Can you say bye? So it is the next day and I am currently about to fold all this laundry. It's a huge pile of clothes. I just took a shower. It is very late at night Mariela is going to have her her dinner, and then we're just gonna go and head to bed. Are you gonna close the door? By the way, today she learned how to close and open the doors. Like, all my doors, they have this like handle, and she now knows how to, here. She's doing it right now, actually. Mariela, come here. Close the door. Close the door, please. Thank you. Close it. Good job. Are you gonna open it? Oh, wow. Good job. Encontraste a Gigi, mi amor. Mariale. Good job. On another note, I also did the kitchen. Let me show you guys. Look at this beautiful kitchen. I feel so good when I end up my day cleaning up my kitchen this well. It's just so satisfying to wake up in the morning and just know that I have a clean kitchen and that I can do breakfast and everything. Okay guys, and also, I don't think I ever mentioned this, but guess what? Here's a little surprise for you. We bought a new car. I really don't want to scream because the neighbors are gonna hear me, and so I'm trying not to be so loud. But yes, we bought a new car. It's a Honda Accord 2016, and right there is hubby. He is giving it a shower. He's just washing the car and getting it all cute. And yeah, I am obsessed with this car. Our other car is right here in front of us, right there. He still is with us, but we don't use it as often anymore. But yeah, this is what hubby is doing. Can you say hi, baby?
Hi.
Okay, let's get inside with the girl. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Can you say hi? Ay, ahí vas otra vez. Ahí vas otra vez. Ahí vas otra vez. Can you say uh-oh? Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. 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 Can you show me where's your head? Good job. Good job, yes. Can you show me where's your nose? Nose? Good job. Can you show me... Oh, shh, shh, shh. Say shh. Muy bien, bravo.
Aquí muérdele, aquí en este pedacito. Muérdele.